The solar system we call home is a marvel of cosmic engineering, with 8 planets, numerous moons, and countless asteroids and comets. But how did it all come to be? The story of the solar system begins around 4.6 billion years ago with a massive cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. This nebula was made up of elements such as hydrogen, helium, and small amounts of heavier elements. As the solar nebula rotated, it began to flatten into an accretion disk. Gravity caused this disk to collapse, and as it did, it began to heat up and spin faster. Over time, the particles in the disk began to stick together, forming small rocks, then planetesimals, and eventually planets. The inner planets, including Earth, are made up of rock and metal, while the outer planets are predominantly gas and ice. The early solar system was a chaotic place, with massive collisions between planets and asteroids. These collisions helped to shape the planets we know today and may have even played a role in the formation of our moon. At the center of it all is the Sun, which formed from the remaining gas and dust in the solar nebula. The Sun's gravity held the solar system together and provided the energy necessary for life on Earth to thrive. The formation of the solar system was a complex and dynamic process that took billions of years. By studying the planets, asteroids, and comets that make up our solar system, we can learn more about the origins of our universe and the processes that continue to shape it today.